Hello everyone, I'm Charuta, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to present this reading by combining numerology, tarot cards and angel cards. So the question I have asked is how would be second half of the year 2020 for those whose date of birth number is 8 as per the numerology science. I'll repeat this question. How would be second half of the year 2020? That is from June 2020 to December 2020 for those whose date of birth number is 8 as per the numerology science. Alright. So let's first understand how to calculate this number. For example, if you are born on 17th of May 1985, then we are taking into consideration number 17. Okay, we are not taking into consideration month and the year. Alright, so this number 17 is reduced to a single digit number by adding 1 and 7. So 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. That's how we arrive at date of birth number as per the numerology science. Alright guys, so it means this reading is applicable to all those who are born on 8th, 17th and 26th of any month. Alright guys. Okay, so what I have done is I have made 3 piles. Pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Alright. I have also placed these beautiful flowers to help you make a choice. So number 8 guys, what you have to do is you need to choose your pile. So just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Intuitively select your pile. Which number is popping up in your mind? 1, 2 or 3. Keep taking deep breaths. Which flower is drawing your attention? Pink, red or white? Alright guys. So meanwhile you make a choice, let me share numerological insights about number 8. If you guys are towards positive side of number 8 energy, then you guys are very ambitious, practical, logical thinking oriented people. You guys love status, fame, power, money and glamour. You are very good at managing big projects. You guys are amazing leaders. You guys are visionary. You tend to understand big schemes or complex subjects very well with ease. Then you're very good at managing money and finances. You guys don't give up easily. You tend to learn from challenges in your life, and at times these problems or challenges in your field tend to excite you, or it kind of give you motivation to do better in your life. But if you guys are towards negative side of number 8 energy, then you tend to have negative relationship with money. It means like you could be a person who's finding difficulty in spending 100 rupees in spite of having lakhs of rupees in your bank account. Or you could be a person who's spending lakhs of rupees even without even thinking twice about it. Or you could be a person who's experiencing some negative pattern about money in your life. It could be your losses or people taking your advantage when it comes to money, like that. Then at times you guys fail to speak up for yourself. You experience power struggle. You can't, especially when people try to dominate you, you can't stand up for yourself. Then at times you take people for granted. You lack patience. Then you can be very practical thinking oriented person, and it can affect your emotional aspect of life. Alright guys, so these were the numerological insights about number 8. Now let's move on to card reading. All those who selected pile number 1, pink flower, here are your cards and these are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. Let's check messages one by one. So the first card you got is Prince of Winter. Alright, so this card is telling you guys avoid impulsive decision making All right, you need to be very alert and careful while signing any documents or signing any contracts. Stay alert. All right. Then you guys, before making any choice or before taking any decision, you guys, you must seek further information. All right. I don't feel that I need to quickly decide on this. No, you can take your own time. The next card is Three of Winter. All right, this is very much aligned with the previous card, because what happens when you take any decisions impulsively. It can lead to heartbreak. So also this card is telling you that in some areas of your life you're going to experience heartbreak, but don't worry, angels are with you. And the message from this card is that this too shall will pass, because everything is happening for your highest good, guys. All right, so during these painful or tough times, you must take care of your body and mind. All right, give yourself some time to heal those wounds. Then and then angels are giving you clear message that eventually in the future you're going to understand why things didn't work out the way you were expecting it to be, why you experienced those heartbreak, why you had to go through all those troubles. The next card you got is Two of Autumn. All right, so in certain areas of your life, you will have to multitask. All right, then because with very little time and with very little resources, you guys will be you guys will be expected to accomplish many things, and hence you will have to multitask. This card is also giving you message that at times you could be very efficiently managing your everyday routine, but the fun element is missing, guys. So you must whatever you do, stay in the present moment and try to enjoy that activity. All right, guys. And the next card you got is Eight of Gabriel. Wow. So this card is all about momentum. All right, so finally the delays would be over. Okay, so and things are going to take up the pace. All right, so you need to just gear up. So I see things will be shifting positively. All right, things will take pace, and you will feel inspired to act. The next card you got is Embrace. Wow, I just love this card, guys, because this is amazing card when it comes to every aspect of your life, be it your health, relationships, money, career, or a creativity, business, anything. So the angel here is blessing you with abundance. All right, in every form. So especially for women, okay, if the good news is on the way, you will conceive soon. All right, if you are already pregnant, then your pregnancies will go very fine, and you will stay healthy. So just release all the worries. Even the birth process will happen smoothly. All right, then this card is giving you message that in these 6 months you will be flooded with many creative ideas, and trust me, guys, all those ideas are financially viable. So just don't discard any idea. Okay, take action and implement those ideas practically. Amazing, because this card is promising you a lot of money, success, appreciation, love. All right, amazing card this is. Next card you got is Page of Gabriel. Wow, amazing. And this is Eight of Wands. All right, fine. So the Page of Gabriel means that some positive good news is on the way, especially with respect to business, career, or if you're following your passion or any creative field. If you are in, then this is a very good card, because it is promising you some positive shifts are going to happen, and some news, basically the word is news, some news is on the way. The next card you got is Eight of Wands. This is the same card. This is the Eight of Gabriel. Again, so this card has appeared twice in your reading. It means definitely you can imagine the intensity of that momentum. You can imagine the intensity of that movement. So there are chances some of you will change the places. Okay, you might change your houses, you might change your job, or some of you guys would commit to some kind of physical exercises. All right, and you will feel inspired. Basically this card is all about inspiration. Okay, so this means that you will not feel tired. All right, you will not feel tired at all, because it can happen that you guys are working 24/7, yet you're not feeling tired, and you're yet feeling inspired to work hard and everything. It's an amazing energy to experience. The next card you got is Four of Swords. All right, so this means that in some aspects of your life you need to reconsider, okay, rethink about something, especially if you have been fighting any battle, or it could be just if you guys are trying too hard to make things happen, if you guys are trying too hard to achieve certain things, if you guys are trying too hard to resolve any situation, then the message from this card is, guys, take a break. All right, it's very important, because you must change your plan, you must change your strategy. All right, so just go in the zone of no action. This card is asking you to go within and contemplate, take a break, revise everything, your plan, strategy, and then take an action. But right now, okay, since you're tired, your body is tired, you must take a break. So these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check what are the messages from angel cards. Okay, all right, family, okay, let go, tranquility. Wow, this is the first card you got is family. So this card is telling you to spend more time with your family members, your loved ones. You must express your feelings, what exactly you're feeling. At time number 8, guys, you feel deeply, but you can't express your emotions, because you kind of take people for granted. So this is time to spend more time with your family and express your gratitude, or what your emotions to your family members. The next card you got is Opal. All right, so as you can see this card, so very good, it's very much aligned with the Empress card. So childbirth is on the card, pregnancies, fertility, everything. Amazing card when it comes to giving a birth to a child. All right, then if you are a parent, then this angel is telling you that your children are protected by their guardian angel. So don't worry about them. Instead of worrying, pray to their guardian angels. The next card you got is Let Go. All right, so guys, this card is very much aligned with the Four of Sword card, because you have been trying too hard. All right, you have been asking, when will it happen, how will it happen, and these kind of questions, and you're constantly worrying about that situation. So this card is telling you that you must surrender, you must allow universe to do its magic. All right, so just go more into the zone of surrender. And how to surrender? Just pray, ask universe or angels to help you. Then the next card you got is Tranquility. Yeah, so as you can see in the card, guys, your body needs break. All right, and you must indulge in activities of self-care. All right, so take care of your body, sleep more, all right, or just take nice long bath. It's very much required because it will shift your energy. Alright guys, so these were the messages from angel cards. So thank you for watching this video. Do post your comments in the comment section. Now I'll move on to pile number 2. All those who selected pile number 2, red flower, here are your cards and these are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. Let's check messages one by one. So the first card you got is 3 of Swords. So it means guys, in certain areas of your life you're going to experience heartbreak. All right, so but angels or the card is giving you a message that this too shall pass. All right, eventually you will understand why things didn't work out in your favor. All right, eventually you're going to understand why you had to suffer. All right, so meanwhile be patient with your own self. All right, take care of your body and mind, and time is the best medicine, guys. The next card you got is 8 of Cups, very much aligned with 3 of Swords. So this card is telling you that in certain areas of your life, or in you're going to lose interest. This is the message, is you're going to lose interest totally, and you will feel intense desire to move on in your life, because their destiny is calling you towards new path. This is the message, and this new path is amazing for you. That path is filled with positivity, many opportunities, peace and happiness and success. All right guys, so if you are feeling inspired, or if you have been getting intense desires to leave job, or to leave house where you are staying currently, or to part ways with people, or especially romantic relationships, or a business relationship, so take that action. All right, because angels are giving you that clear message, because you deserve better. All right, you're losing interest because you deserve better in life. So follow your heart, guys. The next card you got is 4 of Gabriel. Wow, this is a very beautiful card, very good card when it comes to relationships and career. So this card is giving you a message of stability. So there will be a period in your life, or there will be certain aspects in your life where you will experience, wow, life is very good. Okay, I'm feeling very happy and satisfied. Though I have not achieved everything that I wanted to achieve in life, yet I'm feeling very peaceful. So this is a very nice card when it comes to relationships and career, because you will feel happy in your job. You will feel happy about the opportunities that are being available to you. It's like that. Also, if possible, spend time with your loved ones more. All right, especially couples. It's time to strengthen the love bond that you guys share. So take out some time for your partner. Then the next card you got is Lovers. Wow, so if you guys are waiting to get married, or waiting for right partner romantic partner to show up in your life, then it is going to happen. It is definitely on the cards. It will happen soon, especially in these 6 months. All right, so some positive shifts in your love or romantic relationships are on the cards. There is another message from this card, is like there will be certain areas of your life where you will feel, oh my god, I am at crossroads. All right, and you'll feel, I don't know which way to go, I don't know what to choose, I don't know what is right for me, and that entire decision making process would feel intense, and it can be very overwhelming. But the angel here is guiding you to follow your heart. Okay, no matter what, you're gonna feel, oh my god, these two options are equally lucrative, and hence you're gonna feel that this is very difficult to choose. But angel is clearly guiding you. You can see the angel here. He is clearly guiding you to follow your heart. All right. The next card you got is Queen of Spring. Especially ladies, you are going to fly high, and you're going to feel powerful, confident about yourself, and you're going to manage everything very well, be it your family, be it your career, children, or your friends, everything, because it is about achieving that balance and being more efficient in everyday life or in professional life. So guys, if you have lady boss, then only way to impress her is to be efficient in the work. This card is also giving you a message that be more confident. All right, you need to trust your abilities more. You guys have what it takes to achieve your desires. The next card you got is Three of Ariel. Wow, this is a very nice card when it comes to money and new opportunities, but especially with respect to money. So you're going to receive money. All right, guys, you're going to receive money through your salary, or through through whatever. If you have completed any projects, you're going to receive payments. Also, people are going to like your work. It's just not that okay, you have done your job and hence you're receiving payment, but you're going to receive a lot of appreciation as well. People are going to appreciate your work, and hence they will be willing to pay you. You understand the difference? It's not just like they have to make payment, hence they are paying. No, they are truly loving your work, and hence they are willing to pay you. Amazing. And that hence you'll receive appreciation, and from the same people or from the same group of whatever, you're going to receive lots of opportunities in future. The next card you got is King of Michael. So it means that, guys, in certain areas of your life, you must draw clear boundaries with people around you. You must speak clearly. You must communicate clearly. Use right body language, right tone, right words, vocabulary. Be it a written communication or verbal communication, you must communicate clearly. Don't allow any misunderstanding. Don't give any scope for misunderstandings to happen. Okay. Also, don't let your emotions overpower you. Don't make any assumptions. All right. Be more practical and logical. The next card you got is Emperor. All right. It means that, guys, you're going to take charge of your life. You're going to take charge of that situation, and you will feel that fine, I have had enough, and let me solve this in my own way. And you're going to think more practically, logically, and you guys are that way, and these methods are going to yield results. And this card is advising you to become more disciplined in your everyday life. All right, then use traditional methods to look at any situation, or to if you want to solve any conflicts, then follow traditional methods. Those methods will help you. All right, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check messages from angel cards. Sorry, guys. Fine. So the first card you got is Make a Wish. Wow. Connect with the nature. Fine. Patience. Yes. Fresh air. All right. So the first card you got is Make a Wish. This is a beautiful card. This is a, universe is telling you, you make a wish. I am here to fulfill it. So you get to decide, guys. You get to choose. Fine. All right. Spend some time with yourself. Okay. And identify what you really want. Keep asking this question to yourself if you're feeling confused. keep asking this question to yourself. Okay, what do I really want? What do I really want? What do I really what I would like to experience in my life? And it is better to write all those wishes in your diary, okay, and then give one command to the universe. Universe, this is what I would like to experience. Fine, amazing card. So connect with the nature. So if possible, do go out for a walk, all right, because you need to connect with nature. Also, if you have plants in your house, then spend some time with those plants, all right. Then this card is also telling you to do meditation every day, because you know you need to find out who you truly are, all right. So connecting with your own self, connecting with your inner nature, this is the message. The next card you got is patience. This card is telling you that you know one important and major phase in your life is about to end, all right. Many changes are on the way, are on the cards, so hence be little patient with your own self, and also with people around you, and with about the and also with the external factors, all right. So ultimately things are going to work out in your favor. So this is a, you guys need to show some patience, all right. So that's the reason, and how to wait, how to how to be while you know going through waiting period. Connect with nature, spend more time in meditation, spend more time with plants, or you can go out and walk in the garden. The fresh air, oh my god, again this is very much aligned with the connect with nature. You know your body needs fresh air, all right. If it is not possible for you to go out, just stand in near your window and take that cool breeze on your face. It will help you to shift your energy, all right guys. Fine, so these were the messages from angel cards. So thank you for watching this video. Do post your comments in the comment section, and now I'll start reading cards for pile number 3. All those who selected pile number 3, white flower, here are the cards, here are your cards, and these are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. Let's check messages one by one. Alright, the first card you got is Queen of Autumn. So if you have been getting impulses to change your wardrobe or interior decoration of your house, then just follow those ideas, you know, take action, because you know all these small changes will help you to shift your energy and raise overall vibration of your house, all right. The next card you got is King of Autumn. You know you guys are very very much respected in your field. You guys know your job very well. You guys are very passionate about your work, and people often come to you, you know, to seek technical advice, and you're very efficient and effective in your work, all right. So you know the message is that you need to continue doing your work in the same way, all right, because you guys are very knowledgeable people, and you know what is right. So the message is that you you know at times, in spite of having that kind of knowledge or expertise, people try to dominate you. But the message is that no, you know that you know you are kind of a king, all right, king in that area, king in that field, all right. So you guys must speak up for yourself, and stand for what you believe is right professionally or in your field. The next card you got is 10 of Autumn, all right. So you know at times you overthink a lot, or you know you might experience stress, and you know this stress is actually coming from lack of your ability to delegate, all right, because you don't trust people, all right, because you feel you are you know you can manage things in better way. But you know if you this card is actually giving you a message that soon whatever the challenges that you are facing, it will end, and you know you have been worrying unnecessarily, because solution is right it's right before your eyes, but you're not able to somehow see it. All right, this card also giving you a message that spend some time with your family members, seek their advice. All right, also whenever they need you practically, you must be available for them, so act accordingly, guys. The next card you got is Emperor. Fair enough. So this card is telling you that you have to take charge of this situation. You guys must think practically and logically. You guys need to stay more disciplined in everyday life. Okay, discipline is the word. Taking charge is the word or the message that I'm getting from this card. All right, don't let your emotions overpower you. Okay, if you have decided, just don't give any excuses. All right, don't give any excuses. Just take action whenever it is required. The next card you got is Leap of Faith. All right, it means that this is a very beautiful card, and usually it means changing your path. All right, so it is about major changes in life, or starting something from zero. It is all about the new beginning. So it could be new beginning of a relationship, all right, or a new approach in your life, or a new career, or new job. Okay, so these changes, okay, that you're feeling, to whatever you're getting inspiration to make these changes in life, to change your path. All right, so just you need to follow what angels are telling you. This is all about taking risks in life. All right, so definitely this is a time to take a risk. If you have been considering about it, so go ahead and take the risk. However, this card is not guaranteeing you that success is assured, but the angels are telling you that this path is good for you. This path will open up many opportunities and possibilities in your life. All right, guys. The next card you got is Five of Ariel. All right, so there are chances that some partnerships will not work out the way you are expecting it to be. All right, so parting ways, yes, definitely on the cards. And these changes are divinely inspired. All right, so because that partner, professional partner, the energies of that partner or that partnership is not aligned with your path. Hence these changes are happening or will happen in your life. All right, this card is also giving you a message that develop positive relationship with money. Don't go into lack of money consciousness. There is abundance in the universe, guys. Okay, you need to tap, you must learn to tap it. Develop positive relationship with money. All right, if you're worrying about your financial situation, then instead of worrying, please pray, ask, universe, you please create a situation where I'm receiving abundance in my life. All right, the next card you got is King of Swords. It means that, guys, you need to draw a clear, healthy boundary with people around you. You must communicate clearly, okay, be it verbal communication or written communication. Stay more alert. All right, be more professional. You must develop more professional approach. Then don't assume anything. This is the message. Don't not assume anything. Be clear as much as you can. Speak clearly and stand up for yourself. This is the message. The next card you got is Judgment. All right, so this card is all about awakening. All right, many shifts are happening in your life and will continue to happen in your life, and those would be overwhelming, and but these changes are divinely inspired, and 90% of these changes are are at a personal level. You are growing as a person. You're growing spiritually, you're growing personally, you're growing professionally. All right. So this is a message from a card that you must communicate with angels and take their help to help you go through this phase. Alright guys, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check messages from angel cards. So the first card you got is assertiveness, very much aligned with the tarot cards. Self-forgiveness, alright. Child, alright. Athena, alright. Fine. So the first card we can check this card first. Assertiveness, very much aligned with the tarot cards. So guys, learn to say no. Okay, don't say yes. Just to please people. You must learn to say no. You must learn to stand up for yourself, speak up for yourself, no matter what. Otherwise, you will land up in trouble. Okay. The next card you got is self forgiveness. So if you guys are experiencing guilt in your life, in certain aspects of your life, then angel is telling you clearly, please forgive yourself. All right, there is no clear right and wrong, okay, in life. Okay, so don't be harsh with your own self. Don't be harsh. Don't judge yourself harshly. You need to forgive yourself and also forgive people around you, and just let that past go. The next card you got is Athena. Wow. So guys, at times you feel, as I mentioned, number 8 guys always feel always experience power struggle. See, you must understand that you can be powerful, and at the same time you can be very kind, soft and gentle. Do not relate power with aggressiveness. All right. And angels are telling you clearly, it is safe for you to be powerful. It is high time to assume your power. All right. So don't be afraid, guys. Please don't be afraid. And if you're feeling insecure, if you're feeling fearful, then invoke angel. You can invoke Archangel Michael and just tell him, please help me. The next card you got is child. So all those ladies who are trying to conceive, very positive card. So it is on the card. Definitely it will happen soon in these 6 months. Then if you have been worrying about your children, then angels are saying, angels are protecting your babies, you're protecting your children. So do not worry about them. Instead, you can pray, okay, for their safety to their guardian angels. Alright guys, so these were the messages from angel cards. So do post your comments in the comment section. I will be making video on number 9 soon. Alright, so do subscribe to my channel. You can share this video with your friends and family members whose date of birth number is 8 as per the numerology science, and do subscribe to my channel so that you will receive intimation whenever I upload new video. Thank you. Bye.